Hey everyone, welcome to this edition of Tower TV. Now it may look like I'm in the middle of nowhere because I'm surrounded by corn, but right behind me we have a paved on-road track thanks to BBmods Raceway. And right here I have a Tamiya TT-02. This is the Toyota Supra edition. Now we're going to go do some laps, show you guys what's under the hood of this Tamiya TT-02, and just have some general fun on the on-road track, so I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little running video with the Tamiya TT-02. Had a lot of fun running out here on the little on-road track, so if you're interested in this TT-02, make sure you click the link, and thanks for watching.